acquaintances, have I just altered the location in which I'm filming so it doesn't seem like I filmed 3 unboxings in one day and then posted them weeks apart? Perhaps. I'm just trying to keep you visually stimulated. Is it gonna be bad if I have this alcohol in the background? I'm like a kleptomaniac, but for actually buying things. And then, I don't want to call it a shopaholic, because that sounds very #girlboss. And I don't want to... Oh my gosh! This box is fucking sickening. Are you kidding me? Are you joking? Swag? Every inch of the box? Swag? Bitch? Fuck? Oh, that's how, okay. So it opens up like this. Is this a... This shit is epic swag. And it... Oh my god. Okay, and then... You've got to be kidding me. Not in a bad way. I'm sorry. I just seem angry constantly. And I'm not angry. I'm just in shock. Holy shit. Bro, I didn't know this was gonna be like holographic too and everything. Okay, here I'm shaking, bro. Anyways, did I say this is the Reebok Candyland collab? They released 3 different styles. I liked this one the best. Got size 4. These are sick. Oh my god, wait, these are so... I'm literally hungry. Did you hear that? It's still going. Okay, yeah, these are a little bit bigger than the Vans size 4, it looks like. So these might be a bit big, but I think it's okay. It'll be okay. See, guys, I just don't want to move my camera. I'm a lazy. I'm a sloth. I'm a glutton. Okay, do you see the beat? Do you see that? Price 5. No. Yeah, 5 out of 5. They were $70, which honestly, in the realm of shoes, is not that. It's like pretty average. Shoes are usually like 60, 50 to 50, 40. They're like 40 to 100. And these are very detailed, very custom, limited, perhaps. And I think 70 is not that bad. And it's 65 for the kids sizes, which I could have got, and 65 would make it a 5 out of 5. So I'm gonna, okay. Price is gonna be 4.5 out of 5. Packaging, 5 out of 5. Are you kidding me? I'd literally give it higher than a 5 out of 5. But it'll confuse me when I'm doing the math. So it's a 5 out of 5 for the packaging. Quality, 5 out of 5. These things feel very comfortable and they're really sparkly, and they put in even the detail of the aglet. Shipping is gonna get another 5 out of 5 because I ordered these like maybe a week ago. No, like even 5 days. That's really good. 5 out of 5. So overall, I believe they're at a 4.8. No, maybe 4.5. Or no, 4.75 or 4.8. 4.87 out of 5. It could be even a 4.88. If we round it correctly, but we're not going to. Oh my god, these are cool! I'm excited to style these because I honestly, they're rainbow, so like they could go with anything, and they could also go with like a completely neutral outfit, or they can go with any color outfit, or they can go an all-out rainbow extravaganza, bro. I'm going insane. You know that. Bye. Subscribe. See you later, all you haters.